Let us look at some great women of India. Some great women. We are looking at some great women, all right? The first great woman we are looking at is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, she is an ideal woman born for a cause and died for that cause, and that was serving humanity. So she was a great woman. What did she do? She served and died for serving humanity. She lived and died and served for one cause, serving humanity. Next, we are going to look at Sarojini. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, her ability to sing charmingly fetched her the name the Nightingale of India. So she could sing well, so she got her name Nightingale of India. Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu was known as the Nightingale of India. She worked as an active politician. So she was the Nightingale of India. She was an active politician. She was an active politician, freedom fighter, freedom fighter. She is the Nightingale of India, active politician. She was a freedom fighter. Since 1917, then she was a poet, writer, orator, leader. She was a leader, activist. She was an activist, liberator. She was a liberator, administrator. Administrator, mother, friend, a true Indian and a true Indian. Next famous lady we are talking about is Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the great heroine the First War of Independence. She is the great heroine of the First War of Independence. First War of Indian Independence. First War of Indian Freedom. She was the Rani of Jhansi. She was the Rani of Jhansi. She was full of patriotism. Full of patriotism and heroism. She was the queen of a small state, but the empress of the limitless entire glory. Next, we look at Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, she dedicated her life to progress her country despite overwhelming problems, challenges she encountered. She was a brilliant political strategist and a thinker. So she was a great leader. She was a great leader and a brilliant political strategy. Next, we are looking at Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi. What about her? She was awarded Magsaysay Award. Kiran Bedi was awarded Magsaysay Award. Alright? And she was the first woman to join IPS. She was the first woman to join IPS, Indian Police Service, in 1972. So we are looking at few great women of India. Mother Teresa, she was an ideal woman, born and died for one single cause, serving humanity. Next, Sarojini Naidu. She had fantastic voice that gave her the name of Nightingale of India. Over and above, she was an active politician, freedom fighter since 1917. She was a poet, writer, orator, leader, activist, and liberator. She was an administrator, mother, friend. But overall, she was a true Indian. Rani Lakshmi Bai, the heroine of the First War of Indian Freedom. She was the Rani of Jhansi, and she was a great patriotic, and that won her a heroic name. Indira Gandhi, she was the great leader, prime minister, and over and above, she dedicated her whole life for the progress of her country despite overwhelming problems and challenges in the country. Kiran Bedi, she won the award, Magsaysay Award, and she was the first woman to join IPS in 1972.